Cosplayers, you gotta stop buying your notions from Joann's. They are so overpriced. If you're rushing, fine. But if you have time, the Taylor's website Wawak sells the stuff for like 80% less.
You know, for as many years as I've been sewing, I'm really disappointed that I have not heard of Wawak prior to Shanae sending me that cosplayers video, and then Rockstar on TikTok doing his unboxing of a package from Wawak. Now, I do adore Joann. We always go into Joann with coupons. I also, locally, what I like to do before I go to Joann is, as most people like to do, see if you can find it for cheaper first. Most of the time I get my notions from a local creative reuse center here in Kansas City, Scraps KC. Look them up, they are phenomenal. But I still wanted to see what I had to say first. So, my upcoming project, we're going to be making a corset base and then glue some pretty leaves on top of it for the KC Curly event coming up here in September. And so some of the notions that are required are boning, raw underwire, eyelets, and then I'll also be making another ball gown again for this, and a petticoat, so I also needed another elastic. That's how excited I am. So let's get into it. Normally I would, you know, be civilized and cut this open. Oh, this is the catalog. People have been hyped about these catalogs. I am excited. All right. Walmart gave me absolutely everything. Ooh, thank you. It is a great pleasure to serve you. All right. And the fact that they've been around for 100 years. For as long as I have been sewing, from my adolescenthood, learning how to sew on my grandmother's sewing machine, to putting all the patches on my kid's karate uniform as an adult, to being the cosplayer that I am so sad that I have not heard of Wawak prior to this summer. But now I know. And yes, they have sent me absolutely everything it is that I needed. Wawak, I think you're going to send me some more though. So we have some steel boning. That's going to be for the boning of the corset. And we've got some steel corded boning as well. Very excited. This is one thing Joann does not sell. So originally I was pricing it on Amazon to see how much it is that they wanted for it. These were literally like maybe 50, 60 cents each. And Amazon wanted like 16 bucks for maybe 12 to 14. So definitely good. We've got our eyelets. Yay. Yay. And then we've got elastic. Again, this is going to be for one of these I ordered for the petticoat, and then another I ordered for the actual ball gown. I could just put a drawstring in there when I make it. Don't feel like that. And then we've got raw underwear. Okay. It says it's my bitty cup, but we'll figure it out. But either way, so quick unboxing from Wawak. Thank you ever so happy. And I definitely will be making sure I get my notions from there well ahead of time. As Nimble Norris said in their video, if you're rushing, okay, cool, go to Joann. Honestly, like, scratch that, go to Walmart first if you're a Walmart person, or Dollar Tree, because they do have a lot of wonderful crafting and sewing supplies for the low versus Joann's prices if you're going in without a coupon. But you know, if not, Wawak definitely is included in the roster. Like, welcome to the team. Welcome to the squad. We're glad to have you. Now, I genuinely appreciate it. I'm so thankful for everyone who is sharing Wawak with me. And I will be bringing you some updates on making the corset as well as the Autumn Princess gown in the upcoming weeks. See you soon.